Okay. Okay, so let's start with our introduction. I am Shomajit Bhattacharjee. I am from India. I have been trading for 9 months now, and it's been quite a good journey. I trade market structure, supply, demand, and daily cycles of the market. And yeah, that's it. And in this video, we'll learn about what is Forex market, what are pairs and their types, and a little about the candlesticks charts. And today we have Sanskar with us in this video, who will also help us teach about these topics. And he is pretty old in this journey. He's been trading for 2 years. Sanskar, please give your introduction.
Hey, I'm Sanskar. I'm a trader student and someone who believes that charts tell the truth when everything else gets noisy. While others were busy following the crowd, I spent my time understanding price action patterns and the psychology behind every move. Because in trading, it's not just about buying and selling, it's about thinking differently. I don't chase trades. I wait, I analyze, and I execute with precision. For me, trading isn't luck. It's a skill built with patience, discipline, and consistency. The journey isn't about showing profits. It's about building a mindset that can handle losses, stay calm in chaos, and still come out on top. If you are here for shortcut, this isn't for you. But if you are here to learn, grow, and actually understand the game, welcome. You are in the right place. So now we can start the video.
Yes. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, starting with what is Forex market. So forex market basically is the market where there is a exchange of forex currencies like USD, Euro, different currencies as traded in this market. Every day, more than $10 trillion of exchange takes place, and this market is the largest market of all. In this market, if we see what is forex, we can clearly see it has more than 9 trillion. Generally it is more than this because it is as of 2025, not the latest data. And this market generally operates 24 hours a day with different sessions. And in this market we also like can do several stuff like exchanging the currencies. We for that we do different kind of stuff. Let me open a session to explain it better and practically. Okay, so let's choose a random date, I guess. Mm, let it be 2025 April or maybe March. Yeah, April is fine, I guess. Okay, let's create. Okay, so forex market, generally in forex market there are two pairs and each pair is traded against another. The pair that we see like euro is the base currency in this case. Base currency means the currency we are trading, and USD is the quote currency. That means euro is being traded against USD. If we see, here is the current price. Also this is like older data, so this is not the current price, but yeah, for the backtesting session this is this price. So for 1 euro we are getting $1.08. So in forex market we can see that pairs are being made, but there are different kind of pairs. For example, this is euro USD, but if we check, there are several other currencies like GBP USD. This is another major pair. Now what is major pair? Forex has three main pairs, namely the major, minor and exotic. If we go to forex, then we can see there are several currencies. If I remove this, euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, AUD USD, so these all are pairs, but they are of different kinds. For example, euro USD is a major pair, GBP USD is another major pair, USD JPY is also major pair, and these like pairs are major because they are larger. Okay, now these pairs are being traded against one another. For example, GBP is being traded against USD. That means 1 GBP at as of current rate will give you $1.35. Now, this is a candlestick chart. Why is this a candlestick chart? If you see this object that we see on the screen, this one is like a candle. We can see it has wicks, it has a body, and it has another wick, just like a real candle. Now, this is Japanese candlestick charts. There are several other kind of charts. For example, bars, hollow candles, volume candles, ACL bars, line. For example, this is the line graph. This is candle. This is hollow candle. This is volume candle, and this is bars. Generally, for trading, we use candlesticks, and this candlestick chart is known as Japanese candlesticks. If we go to trading view, we can see this is still named candlestick. If I go to search, I guess I can find it. So this is the Japanese candlesticks chart. Now let me give a overall idea of how a candlestick is formed. So this is the candle body, and these are the wicks. Okay. So in this candle we can see we have a wick. Oh, by the way, this is a bullish candle. That means most of the in this candle mostly buys occurred. Okay. This is also another wick. This is the body. This is open of the bullish candle. Close the bullish candle. Now, just like the real markets that we have in real life, we also trade in Forex by buying and selling the pairs. For example, if we are selling Euro USD, that means you are selling Euro against dollar. That means you are buying USD and selling Euro. But when we buy Euro USD, that means we are buying Euro against dollar. That means we expect Euro to get stronger against dollar. And due to that, when we buy, actually we cannot move the market, but when institutions buy, like large companies with several thousand of dollars, not thousand actually, trillions, millions of dollars, they move the market by pips. Now what is a pip? Pip is the actually measurement or a measure of the amount that a candle moves the market. For example, if I show it on live chart, let me delete. So this is a candle. Now how many pips this candle moved the market? So this candle moved the market by 37 pips. This 37.0, this is the pip count, and this 0.00370 is pipette count. Now what is pipette? Pipette is this sub measurement unit of a pip. 10 pipettes equals 1 pip. Although this can vary across pairs, so we gotta check that before trading to understand or manage our SL. And now what is SL? We'll get that topic later on another video, but for now let's understand what is the another type of candle. Now you can see there are two types of candle. This is the bullish candle, this is the bearish candle. But for the usual charts, normal charts, you will see the candles somewhat like red and green. The green candles will indicate buys and red candles will indicate sales. So this is the bullish candle, meaning this in this candle, this particular candle, mainly buys occurred. Okay. So now if we draw another candle, let it be bearish candle. This will also have wicks. So this is the wick of the candle. Okay. This is the body of bearish candle. This is the open for the bearish candle. This is it about the market. Okay. So now this is like a small overall view of this whole market. Okay. So now comes what is lot size. So lot size. See, in the markets like Euro USD, if we are doing one standard lot, that means you can see there is a thing called quantity over here. If you enter one, this is known as standard lot. Now one standard lot, if I do it over here, 18 color is black. Okay, one standard lot equals 1000, sorry, not 1000, 100,000 units of a pair. Okay, similarly 0.0, sorry, 0.1 lot, this is known as mini lot as well, equals 10,000 units of a pair. And there is one more, 0.01 lot, or micro lot. It equals to 1000 units of a pair. Now there is another lot that is generally not seen in many brokers, that is 0.001 lot. This is very rare. This equals to nano lot, which equals to 100 units of a pair. Now that's what a lot is. That means when you buy one lot on Euro USD, you will be buying 1000 units, sorry, 100,000 units of Euro, and selling 100,000 units of USD. And this is same logic works for every single lot. That's the basic idea of a chart, and also what is forex market and what are pairs and their types. And I will also show you some exotic types of this kind of pairs. So if I go and search, generally I don't trade exotic or minor pairs, I only trade the major pairs. So major pairs in Forex. Generally they are USD pairs. We can see all the involving USD dollars. Generally this all are considered your major pairs. Now if we search minor pairs, see these are all minor pairs. Exotic. Generally trading exotic pairs is very risky because they have a lower market cap, so they generally are affected a lot if even if a small amount of money is entering the market. So these are the South American rand, Turkish lira, Mexican peso, etc., because they have lower liquidity and higher volatility. Okay, so this is like basics of pairs, and for trading these markets we generally use several kind of strategies. Now they are part of another video, we'll talk about that later. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you. And before going, I would like to introduce you to our community on online. This is our community known as Trades Community. Before any kind of like joining, we would like you to introduce you to certain things. So this is our community in overall and in rules. I hope and I want everyone to follow these rules to maintain proper environment in this community for growth. So in our community, we promote members to hold live sessions among them all, and we are not gurus, so there is no guru in this server. You will find none. All of us are traders from all over the world who are trying to trade and learn together. We will share free resources. None of the resources are paid in this server, and future we may like open a paid mentorship, but that will be like for reserved people only. Okay, thank you.